Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about if Designrr Lifetime will have a deal that includes WordGenie. So it's pretty simple, and the answer to that is yes, and that's it. Because there's a special offer right now that goes around. Instead of $324 per year, you will get lifetime access, and you will be including the WordGenie access into that, powered by ChatGPT. So of course this is not real right here, this is just marketing tactics, but you will be able to get this deal anytime you want. So it's only $27 for a one-time payment for the lifetime deal, and it includes WordGenie. It's just that simple. So the answer to that question is just a sad yes, because there's nothing to it other than that. Because if you pay $324 per year, which is $29 per month, it's just not making sense when you can just go with a one-time payment of $27 for the deal. So it's just that simple. So there you go guys, that is the topic in question. If Designrr Lifetime has the deal with WordGenie, which is yes. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.